Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to add Share by Email extension to your Edge browser. When you are on a web page that you want to send to yourself, like it can be an article that you want to read later, you can add an extension to your Edge browser to send the link of the page to yourself quickly with your default email method. This process is shown on Windows 11. Let's learn how you will do that. Left-click the three dots in the upper right section of your Edge browser for settings and more. Go to Extensions. Left-click Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. In the search field, type Share by Email and press Enter to run the search. On the Share by Email, left-click Get. It will ask for you permission. Left-click Add Extension. The extension will be added to your browser. Edge will show you the option to view extension. However, it is not yet showing up in the Extensions toolbar. So this is how you will add it. Go to Extensions, left-click, Pin to Toolbar. Now next time when I am on a web page and want to email that page to myself, I will left-click Share by Email extension and a new email will open. I will type my email and send it. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.